Why are you laughing, huh? Mama? Mamita? Abby? Why do you get camera shy, huh? Abby? Why are you being mad now? You were just giggling with me and now you're mad. I'm gonna tickle you. Abby? You're making me sad. Abby? Mama, don't be mean. Give me a kiss. Come on. Ay, Mama, don't be mad and grumpy all the time. It's bad for the heart. Come here, come here, come here. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Mama, why are you always camera shy? You're mean to me. Do you hate my phone? Is that why? You hate my phone, huh? Fix your hair. Hermosura. Yay! Yay! Twinkle, twinkle, little star. What are you doing, huh? Twinkle, 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 twinkle. Do you want to stand up for the camera? You want to stand up? How do we do this, huh? Let's put it like that. Can you see it like that? Oh, that's just your feet. Oh, there you are. Okay, let's your book. No. Come here. Stand up. Okay, no. Why are you crying? Mama, it's not good to cry. You want the phone? Here. Why can't you show the camera that when you act cute like that, huh? What are you filming? Your sock? You are? You're a crazy little baby. Show, go like this. Just show yourself. Look, babe. Mama, go like this. Don't cry. Look, go like this. Look. Like this. Yay! Are you crying in love? You're trying to make yourself cry, Abby. You want this thing? Ay, Abby, ¿cómo eres chillona, eh? Chiple. We got lots to show you. Twinkle? What are you looking at, huh? There's nothing to look at. Are you looking at your sock? Did you throw my phone? What are you doing, huh? Are you filming the carpet?